Chapter 6. The setting moves to Freetown, particularly to Ade Jones' apartment where Oya is sitting on the bed. He tries to play with her, but she moves away because there is a bone of contention. She accuses Ade of having a romantic affair with Yamide, whom he claims that she is just an ordinary friend. She does not understand how she had found herself in the bedroom when she had been sleeping in the living room. Humorously, Ade teases her of some friends coming over for beer, and she is startled because she had been half naked. The friends are actually mosquitoes, but she tells him that she does not love him anymore. Oya is not happy with Ade because he does not want to commit to their relationship, and she accuses him of having so many women in his life. Ade cannot commit to the relationship because he does not have a regular job and he wants to be in the position to support his family. Oya does not bother about that because she makes enough money and she has been footing the bills for the past 3 months. Out of anger, she packs her things, her dresses, and decides to leave as Ade asks for some time to think about it. As she's about to leave the door, Ade proposes to marry her in December. Suddenly, there are footsteps approaching the house, and it is Olabisi who throws herself at Oya, crying. In tears, she tells her father that she will never visit her mother's village again because they had almost circumcised her. She tells her father that her mother was the champion to take her personally to the Digba Sowe to be circumcised. Ade is not happy that Makalai had attempted such an action on his daughter, and he believes that she had done so on purpose to offend him. Oya asks her to go and clean her body, and there is some intimacy between the two ladies in the bathroom. Oya tells Olabisi that she had entered the period of life where she's neither a girl nor a woman. She's an adolescent, yet she wants to be treated up like a grown-up. But they cannot give her that type of freedom that she demands. Olabisi wants to stay out late with her friends during weekend, but her father refuses. Oya tells her that she is watching out, that her father is watching out for boys, and she wants to know if she has a boyfriend. Olabisi's answer is negative, and Oya tells her to stay that way until she gets married, as she helps her to scrub her back with soap. Olabisi is surprised to learn that Oya is circumcised, and it had happened when she was 8 years old. Oya remembers that she was terrified. But she also tells Olabisi that if she has her daughter, she will not allow her to be circumcised. Olabisi wants Oya to become her mother, and she is overwhelmed with tears. She assures her that Makalai loves her no matter what she does, and she will always be her mother. Suddenly, there is a bang on the door, and Olabisi guesses that it must be her mother. Oya is informed by Ade that it is Makalai and he will take care of the situation. Without a word, she asks for her daughter as Ade drags her back by the neck. Ade threatens to throw her out of the house, but she insists that she will not budge without her daughter. She tells him that Olabisi is not his daughter, but that of Abdul Rahman, who had impregnated her during her college days. And Ade goes wild, grabs Makalai by the throat, and she confesses that she had lied. Ade tells her that Olabisi will not be circumcised and he will get the services of a lawyer. He also tells her that he will take the matter to court. Makalai leaves and Olabisi heaves a sigh of relief. This chapter is very important because it shows Makalai's determination to have Olabisi circumcised to please and pacify the Bondo gods, highlighting superstition and tradition. Freetown is also symbolic because it highlights conflict and freedom for Olabisi, who has a father who listens to her cry and who can defend her. There is also conflict between Oya and Ade over the relationship, especially as she accuses him of having many women and for not taking their relationship seriously. This action pushes Ade to propose marriage to Oya. She sleeps in the living room because of the dispute between them. Ade takes Oya into the room so that she should not be bitten by a mosquito. She supports the bills in the house because Ade does not have a permanent job. And lastly, she helps Olabisi to take a shower when she returns from the village. All of her actions highlights love. Ade's proposal is also a clear sign that he also loves Oya and does not want to lose her. There is conflict between Makalai and Ade Jones over Olabisi as Ade opposes Olabisi to be circumcised and takes the matter to court. Olabisi is also surprised to learn that Oya is circumcised, and it was a terrifying experience, highlighting tradition and pain. And lastly, there is irony when Olabisi tells Oya that she's a virgin, whereas she is not. She has Edward Cole in her life, and she has been having sex with him since the age of 14.